Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're doing a very simple hairstyle, but first, subscribe. So first step, we're going to start with combing our hair like so, and then we're going to comb it this way. Then we're going to use our brush and just brush it this way. I'm just combing. I needed to do this on camera so you see the whole process. And then this is my hair detangler. So you can see me combing the hair, and then I'm gonna apply this. Trust me, this is a very simple hairstyle. You can do this in less than 5 minutes. As you can see, I am just attaching it this way. There's a rope at the back. Then I'm just gonna use this and attach it. Make sure it's tied properly. I have to use a bobby pin to just cling it. So I'll use another bobby pin and just arrange it like so, and then I comb. This is a part kind of hair, so I needed it to stay parted and beautiful. So here is the magic of it all. My kinky. This is a used kinky that I've had going on. Just going to braid it this way until I have the desired length and desired volume. This is it. So you just have to do some subtle adjustments. Yeah, so this is how you do it. It's really beautiful, it's elegant. After you're done with this, you just tie it at the back of your hair. Make sure it's laid in properly. When you're done, you just tie it this way. Make sure you just do some magic at the back. I don't know what I did over there, but yeah, it worked for me. This is my petals gel. I'm just gonna apply it at the edge so my edge will stay laid in properly. You just have to do it very simple. I wanted to do some style on it, but I knew it wouldn't work, so I just had to brush it so it will stay very minimal, simple, and good. Now this is the after look. Oh my goodness, I genuinely am living for this. It's pretty, it's simple, it's elegant, and it's easy to do as well. Just look at how styling it looks. If you have a wig, you can try this. You can just use bobby pin at the tip of it. If you have an attachment as well, you can just create this. So this is it basically. Let me know your favorite thing about this look. Let me know if you'll be trying this hair. I live for it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.